Forensic medicine and toxicology. Post-mortem changes. Late changes. Changes in muscles. After death, the body muscle passes through three stages: primary relaxation or flaccidity, rigor mortis, secondary relaxation. Primary relaxation or flaccidity. After death, all body muscle, voluntary and involuntary, begins to relax, resulting in fall of the lower jaw, eyelids droop down, limbs become soft and floppy, joints become flexible. Body flattens over area which are in contact with the surface on which it rests, called contact flattening. Relaxation of voluntary muscles like anal sphincter and urinary bladder, resulting in their empty. This stage lasts for 3 to 6 hours in temperate climate, but 1 to 2 hours in tropical climate like India. Rigor mortis or cadaveric rigidity or death stiffening. It follows immediately after the muscle loses the power of contractility, involving both voluntary and involuntary muscles. Mechanism. After death, there is gradual fall of concentration of ATPase enzyme, as it cannot be resynthesized, thus lead to the fusion of actin and myosin filament. Filament resulting in a state of inelasticity and rigidity of muscles called as rigor mortis. All muscle of the body become stiff, hard, opaque and contracted, altering the position of body. Thus, if a stiff joint is forcibly flexed, it will easily bend but will not return to its original position after the force is withdrawn. It first appears in involuntary muscles and thereafter in voluntary muscles. It appears in heart within an hour after death. The left chambers are affected more than the right chambers. In voluntary muscles, rigor mortis follows a definite course from proximal to distal area, that is, proximo-distal progression. It first occurs in the muscle of eyelid within 2 hours, and next in the muscle of the back of neck and lower jaw within 3 hours. Thereafter, the muscle of the front, neck, face, chest and upper limbs within 6 hours. Lastly, it extends downwards to the muscle of the abdomen and lower limbs within 9 hours. Last of all to be affected are a small muscle of the fingers and toes within 12 hours. Time of onset. In temperate climate, the average onset period is 3 to 6 hours after death. But in tropical climate, as in India, it may take 1 to 2 hours to develop after death. Duration. In India, the usual duration of rigor mortis is 24 to 48 hours in winters and 18 to 36 hours in summer. When rigor mortis sets in early, it passes off quickly and vice versa. Rigor mortis comes rapidly and disappears late in bodies immersed in cold water. Rigor mortis does not occur in immature fetus of less than 8 weeks because muscle have not formed. Conditions simultaneous rigor mortis. First, heat stiffening. Second, cold stiffening. Heat stiffening. This is seen as the hardening and stiffening of those muscles in the body which are exposed to intense heat above 50 degrees Celsius. This is due to coagulation of muscle protein and persists until putrefaction sets in. Causes. Death caused by burning and high voltage shock. The body assumes pugilistic attitude, also called as boxer attitude, with lower limb and arm flexed hand clenched due to shortening of muscle fiber due to heat. Cold stiffening. This is seen as the stiffening of muscles in the body from the solidification of its fats if exposed to the freezing temperature. On forcible flexing the joints, the frozen synovial fluid shows the crackling of ice. On moving the body to the warm surrounding, the hardening disappears rapidly and normal rigor mortis develop. Secondary relaxation. With the disappearance of rigor mortis, muscle becomes soft and flaccid due to the development of putrefaction or excessive acid production during rigor mortis. Muscle do not respond to the mechanical or electrical stimuli. Decomposition. It involves two processes, autolysis and putrefaction. Autolysis. It is aseptic breakdown of body tissue soon after death by the intracellular chemical enzyme secondary to glycolysis, lipolysis and proteolysis. The organ rich in enzyme such as glandular tissue will undergo autolysis much faster than organ with less amount of enzyme such as liver, spleen, kidney. This is why the process of autolysis is increased by heat and decreased by cold. Individual with intracranial injury and in coma for long period, autolysis may start even before death. Thank you.